Hello everyone, join us for today's vlog. It's me and Matthew, the new dream team. We've got 10 cleans. We did have 11, we've got one skip. We're in close to where Wiz Beach is, so we're going off to West Walton, Walpole Highway, and I've forgotten the name of the other one, Walton Highway. So will we do it? Follow along. We should do. Weather's looking good. We've had a frost, but it's burning off and the sun's coming out to play. Just an update on how the day's going for you. I haven't been able to film much this morning, so that's why I haven't got a lot of footage between the intro and this bit. But we've done 5 cleans. It's 20 past 11. We're going to have a quick lunch now, a bit earlier than normal, because where we're going to next, the next 4 cleans are all very close to each other, all in the same road, and not far apart neither. And then we've got a little bit of a drive, not far, to get to the 5th and last one. Some of the jobs we're going to do, they're fairly big, so we'll probably lose a bit of time there, but yeah, so far it's going good. The weather's been really nice, sun's out, it's nice and warm. I ain't got my buffalo on, that's how warm that is for once. And the last clean I did, a lady customer of mine, I've cleaned her for quite a while. She's one of my early customers. I cleaned a lot of people in her family as well, and unfortunately she's got dementia, and yeah, you're seeing it sort of like progress. However, she's brilliant. She's still brilliant. Still have a nice yarn and chat with her. Just repeats a couple of things again, that's all. But no, she's brilliant. She's full of life, smiling. I can have a good conversation with her actually. So it's good to see. And yeah, just hearing some of the old stuff from the old days, and reminds you of listening to your grandparents a bit sometimes, doesn't it? Who doesn't like good stories and that? Anyway, get on with the rest of the day and see how we do. That's me and Matthew done. We're now at Asda, just getting some bits for me packed lunch for the week. Yeah, last job we finished at 2:30, so that's nearly finished for us. We've still made the money that we need to do more than the break-even point anyway for the day, so that's good. And the rest of the week's going to be really busy anyway, so take an early day when you get the chance. So thanks for following on. Like, subscribe, all the good stuff. YouTube's going to stick a video somewhere for you to watch next. And thanks for watching. Stay safe.